This is Heet Desai from Navrashna School Skama, and here I am, all set to share my journey of the Action on Challenge Lead Program 2020. So here I go. I have named my journey as hashtag inner engineering. Leadership. What does leadership mean to me? For me, the following quote elucidates the traits of a true leader. Throw me to the wolves and I will come leading the pack. A true leader is honest, disciplined, motivating, headstrong, optimistic, cooperative, and a committal leader. My wand, the power in me. My wand, here it is, and the powers of my wand, it would instill kindness in the hearts of all the people of the world, as kindness is all it takes to make the world a better place. Vision board. I want to be an architect. This is my vision board. What I want to be is an architect. Skills required: creativity, vision, perfection, and analytical thinking. Stretch your imagination. These are the toys that I had made. The first one being the bunny bumpkin, the second one being the pingu, the penguin, and the last two being the flower fans. Help in the kitchen. For the 5 days, I explored washing utensils, chopping vegetables, and cooking food. My experience of the tasks: I enjoyed the 5 days in kitchen. I learned how much hard work is required in executing kitchen chores. I helped my house helpers and my mom and dadi in certain chores and felt contented. I strive to continue to help them in small things every day. Feedback: my mom and dadi patted me on my back and told me that I did a good job. Let's make the world a better place. The problem statement in a brief. Hashtag make meat illegal. Eating meat leaves behind an environmental toll that generations to come will be forced to deal with. Brief. The animals of the world exist for their own reasons. They were not made for humans any more than blacks were made for whites or women for men. The meat industry is one of the primary contributors to problems such as pollution, food shortages, and the emptying of our oceans. Making meat illegal is the need of the hour. Outcome you see when the problem is solved: 1. Decline in diseases like blood pressure, diabetes. 2. A healthier generation, vegan generation. 3. Flourishing fauna. 4. Decline in pollution caused by meat, including land, water, air, etc. 5. Flourishing wildlife and aqua life. And 6. Decline in animal extinction. Let's make the world a better place. Actions you will take: create awareness, sign petitions, hold TED Talks on a media platform. Resources needed: media apps to reach people, contact details of large organizations. And how will I take the actions? Social media, animal rights organizations, increasing youth participation in the movement, and record videos to showcase on a media platform. Actions you took to create awareness: conducted research on topic, spoke to my non-veg friends, gave up non-veg at the first place and became a pure vegetarian, and told my friends about the change that it caused in me. Overall details: reach social media platform, number of days spent 5, amount spent nil. Challenges faced: I face many obligations as meat is of great importance for certain religions. However, my motive is not to go against any religion but only to eradicate the practice of eating meat. This would at the end be beneficial to the earth only. Overall learnings, tasks and learnings. Vision board: learn to introspect and find more about myself. Wand: making empathize with the world and find a spell to make the world a better place. 3. Help in kitchen: learn the art of doing household chores and found it as a means to reduce stress. Social action: felt happy that I was a part of the youth movement and of amendment of issues on our planet and felt responsible for our planet. Skills utilize: punctuality, timekeeping, hard work, empathy, creativity, and practicality. It was a great journey where I engineered myself for the good. I found myself accountable for various issues on earth. I felt like a responsible citizen. I learnt what it takes to be a leader. I nurtured myself to face all the various challenges that I may encounter in future with all the leadership traits I gained from this process. Thank you.